Welcome, dear learners. Hello, everybody. How are you all? I hope everybody is doing well. Today, we are going to start with the second chapter of your computer, that is, uses of computer. Computers have become very important in our day-to-day life. We can find computers at many places at our homes, in schools, in hospitals, at railway stations and airports, in banks, at shopping malls, in offices, and so on. Nowadays, computers are also used in the field of designing. Designing as in it is used for designing your house, the buildings, the shopping malls. It is also used to draw a design of your costume or of your clothes. So, the computer is used for designing of your houses or the buildings. Yes, to draw a design. Then a computer is also used in defense by our army, by our soldiers. A computer is also used in the space research for doing research on the planets, on the stars. Yes, it is also used to do research on weather forecast. It tells us whether it is going to rain, whether it is going to be sunny, or whether it is going to be cold. And it is also used for making animated movies. I hope you must have seen the movie The Lion King. Yes, the Simba. So these are the animated movies which have been done using a computer. So we are going to see some of the uses of computer in detail in this chapter. So first we are going to see what are the uses of the computer at our homes. First, we can listen to music, watch movies, and play games using a computer at our home. Yes, we listen to music with a computer, right? We also watch music on a computer, movies on a computer, and we also play games on a computer. The next use of a computer is we can send and receive electronic mails. Now, what is an electronic mail? Yes, nowadays you send your homework to your teachers through emails, right? So, the emails are called as electronic mails. You send the emails from your computer. The next use is we can search information on any topic on a computer. Suppose you want to find out about a flower or a fruit, and if you go on the computer and search information about a flower or a fruit, you get the information from the computer. The next use at home of a computer is we can find meanings of words in a computer dictionary. If you are not able to understand a word, you can turn on a computer and you can search for that particular word in your computer dictionary. The computer has a dictionary. The next use of a computer is we can solve sums on a computer. The computer has a calculator, and using the calculator of your computer, you can solve sums. And the next use of a computer at our homes is we can make projects on a computer. You can make your AVS project, you can make your science, maths project on a computer. You can type on a computer. You can have pictures on a computer, and you can make beautiful projects on a computer. I hope you have understood the uses of computer at our homes. Okay, yes, we use computer at our home for doing all these things. The next is the use of computer in our schools. In our school, computer has been used to prepare timetables. Your teachers use computer to prepare timetables. Yes, how is your timetable? It is in the form of a table, right? Yes, a computer has a software where you can prepare your timetable in a form of a table. The next use of a computer is we can draw and color pictures on a computer. Yes, you can draw beautiful pictures and you can also color on a computer. The next use is the teachers can use computers for typing schedules or curriculums. That is, the teachers use the computer for typing your holiday list, for typing your syllabus. Yes, the teacher use it for typing your notes, your question and answers. Next use of the computer in a school is in the library. In a library, computer is used to keep the records of the book. It keeps it stores the name of the book. Yes, then which student has which book. All of this record is been stored in a computer. The next use is it is used by your teachers for teaching you. Yes, nowadays your teachers use their laptops and computers to teach you online. In the schools also, with the help of the projector, the teacher teach you using the computer. The next one is teachers can use computers for making test papers and report cards. Yes, the computer makes it very easy for your teacher to make test papers instead of writing with their hands by using pen. It is very easy to quickly type your test papers on the computer and also make your report cards on a computer. So these all were the uses of computer in our school. Next, we are going to see the uses of computer in hospitals. First use is computer can be used by doctors to perform operations. While performing operations, there are some devices that are being connected to the computer. And with the help of these devices, the doctor can see in detail the person's body where the doctor is performing operation. The next use of the computer in the hospital is computers can be used for eye testing. Can you see in the picture there is a device for testing the eyes? Yes, and there is also a computer connected to this device. So with the help of this computer, the doctor is monitoring or saying what is the problem in the eyes of the patient. The next use of the computer is the computers can be used for preparing and printing medical reports. Now, whenever you go to the doctor and the doctor, after saying what has happened to you, he writes some medicines to you, right? So the doctors type in the computer and there is a printer attached to the computer. So from that printer, whatever the doctor has typed in the computer, you get it on the paper. The next use of the computer is the computer can be used to diagnose a patient's illness. That is, it can be used by the doctors to understand what has happened to the patient. For example, a computer can be used to record and monitor a person's heartbeat. With the help of a computer, the doctor can monitor, the doctor can record, the doctor understands the patient's heartbeat. The next use of the computer is computers can be used to keep a record of all patients in the hospital. The computer saves all the data, the name of the patient, the illness of the patient, then for how many days the patient is going to be there, then all the medicines that are required for the patient, all this information is been stored in the computer of the hospital. I hope you all have understood the uses of computers in a hospital. So for this video, that's it. Thank you. We are going to learn more uses in the next video. Thank you.